Hi, I'm Kayla Itsines and I'm here with Well+Good, and I'm going to show you the drink that I have before every workout. So we're going to start off with simple, some water. So I try and make this as small as possible because it's not the best tasting drink, but it's really great for you. So a little bit of water, so let's say about a cup of water goes into here. We then get a scoop of my greens powder into there. Now this is from the drugstore. You meant to put shampoo in it. This is not shampoo, this is apple cider vinegar. So about a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and a teaspoon of turmeric. So it's pretty simple. You just mix and drink. So give it a good stir, otherwise it will get a little bit clumpy. And off to the gym.